Share the video, let the video viral. Ìyá rẹ̀ ní bí ẹ̀. Ìmàmà náà o. Ìmàmà náà o. Mama no. Mama no. Share the video, let the video viral. Na me na brother wall of una know. Mama no. Mama no. Yes. Share the video, let the video viral. Na me una brother wall of una know. New generation prophet Atiti. The pikin wey no dey fail. God go bless all of una this morning. Happy Sunday. Share the video. Let the video viral this morning. Yes. We do not work in orisi waya to even agbo ama wa gbe wa yopa wori manu wa na ye va wori manu wa. Waya kada waya lamogun waya bowie. Kinu wariri aye iwe do not reason we do ne azekazudo awedo polo Edo big Edo na Edo state. Wetin make me come out this morning? Una see the topic there. No be say I will talk about the topic this morning. I wan come make man and woman understand wey come from Edo state. Una see the way Fulani dey go for Edo state now. Abeg, if you dey there, you dey Europe, make you dey save money down case make you rescue your family comot for inside Benin. Una know where this thing happen, Sierra Leone, whether na Sierra Leone that time. They come get where they come dey pack all those small pikin dey comot go another nearby country. You know say Fulani people, una wey don come Europe, una know wetin be tetanus. Una know tetanus people, they no get head. So they don give these people opportunity wey they don give them. They don give them ammunition. They don dey for inside bush. Una hear one Fulani man dey talk yesterday. He say na peace they need. He say because they no dey hear yalla, they no dey hear go. So now they try to tell my people now wey come from Edo state. You know say we dey talk since then una support Edo vigilante. Some people dey draw nose. Some people dey draw nose. If una see wetin dey happen for each country since then, government no dey talk put. All those Fulani they go community, they go finish the community. Wetin government dey do? Government no fit do anything. Government no fit talk. They say na so government dey do am. Wey dey tell una wey Edo incidents wey dey for part of the world, una support Edo vigilante. If una get brother, una encourage am, make join them. Make we for fit succeed all those people. Some people go dey draw no door say whether government no dey there, Obaseki no dey there, Obaseki no dey there. Una hear wey dey close one community for north, wey dey kill everybody. Buhari dey there, no talk o. So I dey make am clear to una now. Una no say una support Edo vigilante. Una say Buhari Obaseki dey there. No. If you be man wey dey there, you be woman wey dey there, you dey for Europe. Like me now, I dey gather money for ground. You get as you go reach now, tell them my younger ones make dem pack body. If na one bus I fit carry for them, make dem go Cotonou, make dem go start life. Because Fulani don surrender everywhere. Fear not dey let our people go farm again. The time wey we dey grow dey come, we dey enter inside bush for night 12 o'clock. We go hunt, we go find meat. For now, fear not let you try am again. When we dey grow dey come, farm we dey stay for farm for 1 month 2 months. When we take the fight wetin we wan eat, now people no dey fit dey go farm again. Una think say na play. Now all those people dey Fulani. So we still dey talk and I say una support Edo vigilante, una support Edo vigilante. Some people go dey draw nose, go say Obaseki no dey there, Obaseki no dey there. But I dey take something to make example for now. Una see one time for north side, I no know the country, for north side where they go finish the whole community. Wetin government do? Government no do anything. Buhari no do anything. So if you know there, you know you be Benin person, you come up for Edo land, any tribe wey you be for Edo land, you know say this life wey we dey say, you know say it's something dey start with the talk, una no gree accept am, wey go don start at that no na be the end. If you say we know that time we for support Edo vigilante, una see am now. I dey tell una this morning, anywhere una dey for part of the world, una take look up, sit down for this video, una sit down, una watch, una lis ten to this video, una pick sense from inside. No, maybe the way I take dey talk am una no like am because I be pikin wey no go school, wey no know the date wey dey born am. So anyhow I take the broken am for broken English, una take am small small, una learn from inside. Una know say this morning I dey for inside train, I be talk say I go dey house, I just sit down. Only me one no fit dey for house, my pikin no dey house, my brother no dey house, only me one no fit dey for house before day go dark. Now I carry my bag, I wan still go find am small, more stuff dey gather am small, because bus no go too hard when I go carry for my people make they take go Cotonou. As una dey see am small, una no Gaddafi, Libya, na so their own take start small, their own start, una know how many soul comot. So this one now, wetin I try to tell una this morning, abeg, if you dey there, you be mama, you be papa, wey dey buoyant, abeg, make dey subdue your, you know wetin I take am mean, so that you fit take and rescue people. Not be house wey una build again una go dey drag o. If all those people una know Fulani. If I see one woman wey dey cut im neck yesterday, one woman but they bring her come the community, they carry her go community, the center, they cut im neck, Fulani. All the old people wey dey for the community, all of them don run enter bush run go. Who dey for the bush? Not be the Fulani dey for inside the bush. If government dey for country, Fulani kill one, kill two, kill three, they kill the community, they kill community, government no fit talk. Na bush wey you wan come go run go meet them, you hear wey that man dey talk yesterday, they say they go tell Buhari see wetin they wan do. Buhari say make they wait first. If una go watch the video, many people don see the video, they say they go tell Buhari see wetin they wan do for Ogboni. They say Buhari say make they wait first. Una no come get sense say na they dey sponsor them. Una no come know say na they dey sponsor them. If that bike man say they go drop paper for Buhari, they go one woman die, they come kill her husband, they go drop the paper for Buhari tear, he cry. Una see dey there now, una never know, una just see that man don come expose am for una small. I dey see some people now, they see they say wetin you wan support the vigilante for. We know say Okuo no dey kill Benin man. Benin man as a Benin man no dey die for war, I dey tell una. But wetin we go do na to support Benin man, na to support all those Benin man. Anything wey you get, make we take support them. I still hear some people wey say they be politicians, wey dey campaign now. I hear one come out that day say who give where the Fulani where Edo area wey go carry pop, where they go carry pop passion. I laugh. If you don set, you wait talk and that day say where they go carry pop passion. AK-45 now you go carry if you set. So wetin me I dey try to tell some people na here we turn female do. They throw parable to people wey people learn. If you dey for Europe, you know say you get brother, you get sister, they gather money that way you take rescue, they go nearby country like Cotonou. Because if that man fit come out yesterday, come tell una say they be wan go strike for somewhere, Buhari come tell them make they wait first. Una know say na they send them. So na the short message when I come drop for ground for una for this morning. Who see this video, may vigilante the video well, may lis ten to the video well. They say e get voice wey dem dey hear, no be all voice dem dey hear. So I just come throw this voice for una this morning. So I wan go to another topic now. I don throw away that one. Obata Obaze, the small boy, the bad boy, wey want make all the people die. You no see Fulani people. Obata Obaze, you no see Fulani people. Now where be say na Tony Kabaka na you dey get body, na you dey get power. That governor wey dey support you no be Benin man o, na Yoruba man. That governor wey dey support you, you with Tony Kabaka na the same sound dey take baff una o. If you get anything wey Tony Kabaka do during time of politics or during time of politics don finish. You say make you leave am for waste, you go leave am for waste. You no gree leave am for waste. The message wey I wan send down, I bin send message yesterday when I wan click the video. the video when I do yesterday when I cut am, I wan click am, I don't know wetin my hand meet. I don't know wetin my hand meet. The video I no come see am because I find the video reach, I no come see am. Meanwhile, but if I reach out today, I'll do another video. But the message when I wan send to you this morning, mostly Ebo Stone, I see your video. When I go chop at the yam yesterday, just yesterday, when I go chop at the yam, when I for do foundation, what I be the expect for your hand? What I be the expect for your hand? Not be I see for your hand, Ebo Stone. Ebo Stone, before you see man like you cry, come out. You supposed to get pity. The man say the pikin no good. I walk more than I don't know as I take put am, why I no go make mistake. You know say this Benin too hard. They say Benin man I walk more than ekpengbe. That's our Benin parable. Even our pikin na say na bad pikin, he do bad. Mona still know the pains mona cause for a heart. Mona still know the pains mona cause for a heart. If na some men wey no get heart, if for don die since then. But the pikin come out now come tell una say I beg, mona no mention my name again. Una supposed to abide with am. Una don do all sorts of things una take do with am. Una foresee abide with am. Ebo Stone, wetin I dey expect from you, Ebo Stone? Go meet your brother, go settle with your friend, your brother, your friend. Na I be wetin I wan come tell you na very short message I wan drop this morning. As I dey drop the message down, mona dey share am, and the same time I see dey talk about Fulani. They say the stone wey they see, e no dey kill, but this stone una dey see am now, una dey quiet. The stone dey show for una, e dey give una appearance. We wey dey for Europe, we no too much get feeling o. Me wey dey talk so, I no get family for house o. My pikin, I don hide them for Europe. God know say wetin go happen for front. My papa tell me say time dey come. Okwemo say, he say the war wey go happen. Ants, they no go dey see ants for the community. Me don born my pikin for Europe, I don hide myself for Europe. Na the people wey dey house, if una see say I dey come out for this mirror come dey talk, na I dey feel for people wey dey house because of the heart wey I get. I dey feel for them. If I say I no fit dey look social media, if I no dey look social media, I no go dey say all those things wey dey happen. If I no call Nigeria, they no fit dey tell me wetin dey happen. I fit do without call, I fit do without Facebook. But the conscience when I get, when I take the feel for my people, e dey for inside Bible, love your neighbor as you love yourself. The way I take love myself, that's why I love the people when they dey for Africa, dey for Nigeria. That's why I don't need quarrel for any of them. I need settlement for them. If I see say that they quarrel, e no good. If Hausa man fit talk and say, Hausa man wey dey for bike yesterday, they talk and say quarrel no good. If quarrel dey good, if for don lead person to other thing, e come advise una. Hausa man say quarrel no good. Say na peace, na everybody na the peace wey me dey preach is then when I say new generation. When I say new generation, people no understand wetin I think I mean. If Hausa man, Fulani man come talk say na peace everybody needs, wetin una still come dey wait for? I still see some people now, they still dey quarrel. They say they be presenter. Una go cry make they hear una voice. Wetin dey pay una? Now dey for opportunity to cry wey the whole world go see una. Una dey come out every seconds, una dey cry. The whole world go interfere. Una dey see the quarrel, una see the talk say na so this one, na so they do testimony, na so this one no do testimony, na so this one dey do testimony. Why say here? Una go leave all this one, we don pass that side. Now to make our community to be the best. How to make our community this killing wey dey go on road, this Fulani, na how we take talk put na we suppose to dey do. No be say we go dey say Riona Wana, Riona wey testimony. We don pass that one. New generation don pass that one. Wetin we need now to generate our people, to make peace for the land, make the whole people get peace. Now we dey after now. So my brother, na so I drop the short message. Una know say na short message I dey drop now because I dey beg man and woman, papa, mama, make they go subscribe to Prophet Atiti YouTube. No, YouTube, no, Top Show. I dey beg man and woman, make they go subscribe. Now only the beg when I dey beg be that. When I go subscribe to Prophet Atiti Top Show, when I do that one for me. So anyway, I'll still dey drop the short message before now help me subscribe, go Prophet Atiti Top Show. Anyhow, I take dey drop the message. Mona they take the better one. I'm not perfect. I'm a learner. God they give me wisdom every day by day. They give me knowledge every day by day. But I'm still talking. I'm a learner. I see they learn. But anyhow I take the talk come out for this my mouth. Anyhow I take the voice and come out for this my mouth. There are people who go school there. Oh. If they look me now, they say only we tell on it. Na so they talk but when you go don set that person wey dey say when you go school so wey dey talk say that one don dey talk you go quiet say hey this boy dey talk this thing that time. If you no get anything wey you fit do, your comment as me dey speak am so oyibo no dey hear am, your comment can help us in Nigeria. Your comment wey you dey write you write am with sense. Your comment wey you dey drop for the page e go help us for Nigeria. If the civilized world see the comment as I dey talk so maybe the civilized world fit dey look me now they no know wetin I dey talk because of the broken English when I dey speak am because I no sabi speak that one wey dem dey speak dem osarokoti. With your comment wey you dey drop the world go see am, dem know wetin dey happen for inside Nigeria. You say Fulani dey kill people. No be say you dey here you no write comment you go dey cause person wey dey talk the way go fit talk wetin you no fit do. You see person wey dey do am wetin you no fit do now. You see person wey dey do am you go dey write there comment. With your comment it can move that country to be forward. So na so I talk and reach my brothers and my sister. Na very short video this morning. Abeg una share the video make viral make reach man and woman hand. We need peace for the land. This killing every day e no good. So our youth when e dey for house, all our youth wey dey for house wey get opportunity, abeg una make peace. Una make peace. All our youth wey dey for house wey get opportunity for inside government wey no see dey for inside government, una make peace. Make join hand together to wipe up this Fulani away from our city. We don't need them. They are kukubas. They are evil. So I dey beg all our youth wey dey for Benin, wey dey hear their word for inside Benin, wey dey hear their matter for inside Benin. This one not to be time to quarrel again. This one na the time for peace, one unity. Awakugbo eti wanegbo odeme. Mo join hand together to move forward in our country, to move forward in our Edo state. Mo we take from each zone. Mo we take secure our papa, secure our mama, secure our pikin. You also these people when they come, if they enter community, they don't know small pikin, they don't know papa, they don't know pikin. You know say they go dey start and small, they go dey start and small. When you go set bush where you want run enter and they dey for inside bush. So now when we never start to run enter bush where we go dey jump them, more find system to overcome them, more find idea to overcome them. You wey dey talk say time dey come Edo vigilante go be threatening. If you see the way Fulani dey kill now for Lagos road, they kill for Ogboni state, you no suppose to talk that word. Abat, you wey dey see the fancy of oath dey go. If time come all the old paper wey dey for inside your wardrobe wey you wan take this year of oath you go run leave them o. So the best way now I dey tell the people dey Europe, if you get money now you wan go build house for that Edo state, you wan go build house for Africa, hold your money first make you first look wetin wan happen. Keep your money first make you first know wetin wan happen. You know one time wey Biafra war happen, you know say all the house for Welu road wey water come carry today, wey water come carry the whole house for Welu road, so you know say some Igbo house na dey for there. So you wey get your money now, hold your money first. I no say make you no build house for Africa o, I no say make you no build house for Benin. Hold your money first make you look wetin these Fulani people wan do, make you observe them wetin dem wan do. Because we get big boys for house, we get big boys for house. They fit dey kill themselves with cuttings. If the Edo vigilante not dey now, maybe una for the years it's almost 1 month, they don kill 5, they don kill 6, but Fulani dey kill una because say your brother tell you say you dey craze, you know where you carry gun go kill am. Fulani na your brother no cause am o. Na farm wey your people do now, your mama do, farm wey your mama do, Fulani go chop am, they go talk, they go kill dem join am. You wey e say you be cultist, una no fit join together form one road. Ayo dey look una now, so una go school, una get sense. Thank God say Edo vigilante is around today. they try. May God give them strength. May God give them power. May they to overcome all those nonsense wey dey happen for inside Benin. So na so I drop the short video reach. Any I take drop am, muna take the good one, muna leave the bad one. The good one, muna take am. Una know say I talk say na me be pikin wey no go school. New generation prophet Atiti. Any I take talk am. So muna take am for me. I still see some now. Una go take Christian. Una still dey take church dey deceive people. Fulani wey dey come, wey dey start their work. We pray make dem not start. May God go arrest them anywhere they dey. May God let them surrender their gun. May they surrender everything wey they get. If the thing set, if mama dey run, pikin go dey run, na so dey be. So we no want make e set. So anything wey you get, wey you want to support a do vigilante, abeg make you support. So the short message when I dey send this morning, I just write am for them, say message to Herbert. I never talk to Herbert. If I come for work today, before I come talk to Herbert, come talk to Ebuston, I'll still take this opportunity to send message. Go meet later. I'll still use that opportunity to send message. Go meet Abraham Agba. I'll send message. Go meet him. I see the work when Abraham Agba they do since then. You know, I don't come and I can't just. I don't know the way I put. I not be community chairman. The way they talk of a matter before, not be so he can't they behave. He can't they behave. They may try to make peace for the whole Edo boys, the whole Edo men. I so much appreciate you, Abraham Agba. May God bless you. May the peace of the Lord be with you. So, Abraham Agba, you will never see give up. You will see try to make the peace. You know, say where the spirit have voice, the ancestors have voice. There will be somebody there who will do the work. The ancestors has already voiced. The Nika are already voiced. Abraham Agba, you are there to do the work. You have to settle your brothers, your sisters that the way they get grudge. You have to make the peace for them. So may your days be long. Anything you are needing, may God provide it for you. You will still do the best. You are still trying. You will still try more. So this is the short message for this morning. Anyhow I put the message. Una not say na me be pikin wey no dey speak broken English. I dey try to learn the broken English. I dey try to speak am because Edo big. We get different tribes from Edo State. I no fit dey speak only Benin. Dey speak only Benin. Dem no go dey hear. That's why as I dey speak am. So anyhow I take speak am. I dey hurry if I dey speak am. Muna dey take am. Muna dey lis ten to una small. So na so I talk the message this morning. God bless all of una. Today na Sunday. Any prayer when I go pray for na church today, God go put amen for una. Na so it go be for morning, na so it go be for evening. So if you hear another work and orisi waya ato emi na gbon ama waya gbe o waya ato wa yopa wori manu wa la yifa wo o manu wa. Me no bi wa new generation prophet Atiti ni waya we okan kere. Nero wa no risi no kisi gunare. If you do yan wa kugbo eti gwa gima kwe ko kugbo ni mamu ezofwa ezo bi o mesi. When I arrive do me zon gwe yegui bege na o me no ka sunu gbera ne doja ka mo uyi o no ka sunu gbera no ka mo wayi when I egbo averi ono yegui oni awe ga so do ahe na gwale we na ya o eme Fulani no re na eme Fulani no re na we na ya amuse yo we na ya kota hand yo wa gima ya pe ko kugbe imaya make sure we ma kan mi oto ma we okogbo bi edo na kani iyan gbe na dege ero ma but gbe na ma dege enia okay ma we solution yo we na ya put an yo ya aga bati na abati mi no ta emi Fulani na rekere da dia bati magwa yo bato baze emi courtesy re o magwa yo because iyan we oda fenami aye ne eri yo gwere kerugbe na se tikpa edore we Fulani are eri ma ni ke ave se tikpa edore but we ki wa ni wan ki apa wa si bi ka aka fi opa edore so for that simple reason na we ni gi ugbo e but obaze ni wala o wasi ukugbe e no sunu election gbera na wa ya si ukugbe we na ya kom yo to we Fulani no re na wa mi we no there me video pa ni wash no there o me video pa ni wash we no there e we Fulani ona afi machine ona ye machine agun a me no we Fulani ri wu se owe mi ni dege e ma ni ke dege ona we ta se we a piece e need ye magi need ezo gare e ma so e na we ni opportunity na gu egun a aduma ye mi lu du kunu e de to phone gu me ni delu ku e du kunu we ni o phone gu me ni make na delu ku e adegwe ma we mi ewego nu wala nu wasu ku gbe na me so we e adole wo yan wo yaya si yen wo ma si yen wo ma se de na pa bo re enu wa re ba e wo ri adedegbe wa mi wa lo wa mi baaye wazi oyo bene ewo don ri adedegbe wazi oyo wa gun ayo e mi no gba o ma be ni meje mero wa isi meje emoni me bi eyan ri si me to bi me isi me beye okay kaka bo da me wo ewo mi aga je ke e mi no gba ewo mi aga je ke oni o se nu wa na mi ewe ilaja ida agweda dogegun ama wo ma mezo ma wo ma ro pa me personal issue ina bego me owe mi no ma gba igi lajan dogu we gun enobu wa re ni ala petuge na enobu no bu ni egugun enobu ni egugun a enobu tra ni amedegwe yan enobu me amedegwe yan ne ti etu dozen obu no ya ti bayanti ni ya se ti amedegwe yan to be a good father or good mother oni erun me na dedegbe o pe ani me gugun ni lajan dogugun ko ni lajan dogugun wa ya re ni yala de ade iyan tra ni amedegwe iyan tra ni a change me ye le nu sanu da se ku te debe de ne gwogo no ri ti bayan ti ni ya fi weri e kini ya ri aje so if you do no ri sick no ro wa gbima ku ko ku gbe ma ya siri opa wa gbima we me gbima nu we wa wu da we e we da obi give away so na we ni opportunity na ka me bi do ya fe ni ri ata wala waya bome kinita na ma kine ma waya bome yawo wie aya tu no mokwe ogwe na averi ma ijima no buru wagume ga video na waga averi ma ijima no bu iya averi emi wugwe menita na iya averi emi wugwe so no wagume ga no so pe abono so pe okubo wagima kwe ko kugbe igun ara ni ebi edopa gugun a kiwie san o kiwie agbo keya ikaye botane ebo ni ata ni igo azebo imaye school mo omo no ma upona bi o isewe bo ne kedon upona bi eme ebo ni riri ata ni de na ri abe wuwe bo ni azeni ebo ni ga azeni na mi ina ri abe wuwe why can't I as an offense why we get we dano eri edo na veje ina we made a mistake many we said na wala o ni one or work no see we ya bomen we mention what team make am kini na made a mistake why correct me we na area ya ta because I don't love we am maso na total de na azedo ime we do we kini yaji e maso na azedo we na ime we do we kini yaji so akugbo eti ni wagima ku ko kugbe ni ma ya siri opa ma ya dole wi maji nde mono one day eri eta so gbe na waya ato emi na gbon ama waya gbe o pe ari yore wo gbe opo ri yore na mi video na wona gume circulate video na no vara no so boku no so boku wagima pe ko kugbe ya mi ewe de na manima emi jaji no ye church mari wo ho se manima emi jaji no ye church mari we dance so egbe ere oni wagima wa be wa we community ni maye edogbo ni maye ni ma pe ko kugbe always love your labor as you love yourself ya kede mi ewe if you do de na no risiki no ro yan we gbe ho e no ma suppose na we gbe ho ari we gbe ho e na ya oni ose ni na la dem new generation imagwa ze bo ya kporu imagwa ze to ya kporu be ni riri ya ta ebi edo yan wa ru na uru me na ahun ene so when I read about we working when I are social media una ya cause nuisance uma ne boy ubele ni Fulani agbele wan wa fo uma gun ayo wa you cause nuisance eri eta 7 na if you don't know work no risi wa yo pa ori manu wa ye va ori manu wa gima pe ko gbe ma ya siri opa ma ya dole mono wa de ma ya dole yan imasiyan oko rieta se waya kia zekpe odegbota ode 7 ya degbe do daladian vidide ya akporu na edegbe bini ya si wana dedegbe imano buara leni wo imano buara riwo wa kia zekpe may the peace of the Lord be with all your people afiangbo saguwaro izo we bona we zo we do vidide ya zo wa mieme obo wa ya to emi na gbon ama wa ya gbe wa go mega video na no vara no se be vera iye bebe na te YouTube Prophet Atiti Top Show wa la wa ya subscribe yo imi pe imi okun wa ya subscribe ye wa ya to off wa ya gbe no ma wa kan ze pe abi ye me abedame abi te ya fe no wo go me no ma ni me wo go no ma wa gi awe me gbe ma wa gi ma we me gbe ma wa gi ma love our labor as we love ourselves ẹni ma beg obi wari ere uye so afi we na emi no gba wa sakarosa inwene otan o sa lo bo kan ya gbo wa se wa so wa gi ma feki ma ya were ẹni ma siri opa ni ma ma ku gbe wa ki azepe wa to emi na gba ma wa ya gbe wa ki azepe